And that goodness of fit is part of what you see in this output. And that's what you're going to investigate, what R square is. Okay, and that's what you're going to come back on Thursday with a report of what R square is. But remember, R square is related to goodness of fit. Okay, so besides the visual visual diagnostic from this or that, you can have a confirmation of how good the fit is, but also not only how good, but how well the data are described by some specific mode. Okay, so here is, so okay, did you copy these lines? Let's see where, maybe I can switch and one of you shares the screen and let's see where you are.
I can.
Go ahead.
Says host disabled attendee screen
Oh,
share.
okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. You gonna do it?
No. Yeah. Okay, so you need to copy the lines of code. Or maybe you
Yeah.
already did it.
I've already
Okay.
copied all of them. Yeah. We ended right here. So I need, this is where we're at now. Right here.
Okay, then so in that code, the thing that's excuse me, just run line 73 to 78.
73 to 78.
Mm-hmm. So that is, you can see that there, this is using the, in 78 you have lines and you're plotting x hat, but on 74 you're using matplot and there is an argument. See there, this says log equal. So there, this is saying to matplot, you know, take the logarithm of the values in the vertical axis.
Yeah.
If you change that y by x, log equals x between quotes.
Let me do that.
Yeah, that will take the logarithm of the x, the values on the x-axis, and this will not look this will not look right. That's weird. I mean, it still looks kind of close, but that's not
Yeah.
what is meant to be there. Y is what is meant to be there. So log equals y. It's going to take the log of the values in the y-axis. Okay. Now, what comes next is doing this linear regression, but now by reading the data from a file. Okay. So let's check here. Go under files, your tab on the right, and you have created a folder called data. These R script, maybe you should save that R script to that folder called data. So go to file, save as, and yeah, choose that folder that says data.
Apparently it already exists.
Okay, then cancel. Yeah, get out of this, cancel again. So in your right lower click, you have like a path there. It says home, documents, data, or there is, you see the green arrow? Click the green arrow, or the two dots next to the green arrow. Okay, now select the folder data, which is the third down. Okay, so see, like sometimes you have to get out of the folder and come
Okay.
back to it. And
Okay.
now the file is there. So
Cool.
good. Okay, so you see the file that you want to open, you may have changed the name a little bit. It needs to be a CSV file.
You're going to change this name? Just change it to what you named it up here.
Yeah. What's the extension of that file? Do you know? Well, if you try to do this right now, run line 84, like 85, I'm sorry. This should give you an error.
Just 85.
Yeah, just 85.
Yeah.
So the error is it doesn't know what it cannot open. It says it cannot open that file because that file is not where to be found. Okay. So either wherever you're saying read CSV file equals, that thing that's in between quotes has to be the same name of the file. It's almost, it's like you have 1790-20 and after the 20 you need dot numbers and then dot CSV.
So dot numbers.
Try that. Maybe this will give an error again.
Yeah.
Yeah, doesn't like it. Okay, there's something wrong with your file. So download this file again.
All right.
Let's do, can you delete the file from there? From the right side, if you click that box.
Click this box.
Uh-huh. Is there a function to delete? Yeah, deleting selected files. You have to be very careful. Okay, now go back to D2L and download the file again.
Let me do that. What should I name it?
That's what so stop sharing and
Hold on a sec. Stop share. All right.
and now when you click the share button in the upper left, there is something that says desktop 1. That's what I want you to share before you download the file.
Okay. Why isn't that? There we go. Okay.
Okay, now I'm seeing everything. All right. So yeah, US pop, go to drop down menu. There.
So I already got it right here. Downloaded it.
No. Close this. It's opening it. Okay. Okay, let me see your bottom. Where is the file that after you downloaded it?
Where did it go? It's
Where
probably
did it go? Probably the document, the downloads folder, right?
right.
Okay, so you still have one there called, grab one of those, maybe the one that,
This one.
grab it, don't open it, grab it and put it in your file, in your folder that you created. It's called data.
Okay. All right.
Okay, now go back to RStudio. And you see that now that file appears there in that directory.
Okay. Gotcha.
Okay. All right. So don't open it. So that's what you want. You want the CSV file to be in the folder where you want to work from. Okay.
Cool.
And now if you change the name of the file, then in the command in line 85, it has to be exactly the name of what that file has. So now we need to delete numbers. So you have USPOP _ 1790 - 20 and then CSV. Okay, run line 85. Okay, no error. See, there is no error. So right. Run lines 87 through 90.